Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you liked that last video. Today I picked up some plants and some pots that I'm going to put into my room to give it an earthier vibe and just to give it a better aesthetic. So out of all the pots that I saw, I like these three pots the most. I thought they were the coolest and had the best colors. I really like this white one. And I got this black and goldish one, which is pretty neat, and they all have bottoms to them, which makes it a lot easier to take care of the plants. And finally this red one. So next I'm just gonna grab the plants, put some dirt inside the pots, and then just get them all set up and ready to go. I got these three plants, the three pots. I think I'm gonna put this one in here because it's the biggest. This one in here, start gold pot, and then finally for the last red pot, this plant. And I think we're ready to go. Something to keep in mind with the pine tree and the green rose plant is that they don't really require too much sunlight or water, so they're perfect for an indoor environment. While the lavender plant is more for an outdoor environment, but can still do quite well indoors if it has a lot of sunlight and you take care of it. Alright, now that I'm outside, I have my soil, I have my equipment, and I'm ready to go. I'm just gonna take these plants out of the plastic cups and then put the soil into the pots, and then it should be pretty straightforward from there. Guys, make sure you put enough soil into the pots. It's kind of like layers where you put some soil in first, then taking the plant out and putting it into the pot, and then finally filling in the rest of the empty space. Don't forget that much like humans, plants enjoy each other's company, so I will definitely be adding more into my room and keeping these plants together. Alright guys, just got done putting some soil into the pots, putting the plants inside, and I think they're at a pretty good point. So I'm going to leave these outside for a little bit, and then I'll put them in my room, and once I do that, I'll show you the final product. Hey guys, so I just got back inside and I'm just gonna water the plants and set them up in my room. I really like the way the plants turned out and just the way that it helps me feel more calm and connected to nature. If you feel like your room is missing something, I totally recommend you giving this a try. Plants add an elegant touch to your room while bringing good energy. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Let me know if you have any comments and just drop them down below. And let me know what your favorite plant is.